In this video, we will learn how to create dynamic QR code. Basically, there are two types of a QR code. One is static and other is dynamic. Dynamic allows you to edit QR content even after printing, allows you to track scans as well, whereas static does not allow that. So let's get started and learn how we can create a dynamic QR code. First of all, you need to visit the following website, qrgenerator.org. It offers free and paid version. You need to click on create dynamic QR code and you need to sign up for an account. We already have one and I already signed in, so it directly took me into the dashboard of the web page. Here on the left side bar, you will find the following menu. You need to choose QR code option. On the next screen, you need to click on create QR button. This will take you on the QR code form. In this example, we are going to create QR code for our YouTube channel. So firstly, we will give it a name. Then copy the link of our channel. Here you will find another option, which is domain. You can choose any of domain that will work as redirect or short URL. Keep in mind, once the QR code is generated, you cannot change the domain of the QR code. However, you can change the content of the QR code or destination content anytime as you like. Next, you need to choose dynamic QR type and the link. Then paste the link here. The QR code will be generated automatically. However, you can add more customization as you like. This website offers you multiple templates you can choose from to save the time, or you can do customization on your own, such as choosing the background and foreground colors. In our case, we are going to choose a gradient color. You can choose the gradient direction as well. Once done, you can move next. On the next option, which is design, you can use your brand logo or choose from the pre-provided logos. You can change the size and a background as well. Next, you can do customization with the different matrix style, iframe and iStyle to customize the look of the QR code. Next, you can also add a frame around your QR code to make it more interactive. You can add text on the frame like scan QR code. You can also customize the font. You can change the frame color as well. Next, you can add margin around your QR code if you like, and this tool allows you to add error correction. Once you are done with these settings, click on the Generate QR button. Once done, you will get download option. You can download this QR code in any of your format. We will download in PNG. Once done, go back into QR code section. You will find the created QR code here. You can manage them anytime. On the three dots, you will find the following options. You can see the statistics, like how many people scanned the QR code and where they scanned from, and many other metrics. You can edit QR code from here, the content of QR code, and there are many other useful options as well. Now let's scan it and test whether it records the scans. You can see the dynamic QR code is working. Now let's see the states. As we have scanned ourselves and the scan shows. So this is pretty cool. You can view the pricing by using the following link I will provide in the description. You can choose basic, standard or premium plan. Thanks for watching this video.